दोस्तों और एक फेस वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम अनबॉक्स करेंगे टीपी-लिंक का वाईफाई 6 राउटर। तो स्टे ट्यून, लास्ट में आपके लिए एक बहुत ही बड़ा सरप्राइज है।
Subscribe to my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
Okay, here is the all-new TP-Link AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 GB router, which comes with Intel chipset inbuilt. It can connect up to more than 260 plus devices at a time. It can called as Acer AX50. It is a next-gen gigabyte Wi-Fi 6 speed up to 3 Gbps. It can connect more than one devices with the technology of OAF DMA. It has maximum coverage of Wi-Fi. ये कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस है, आप पॉज करके भी वीडियो देख सकते हैं। और एक साइड में आपको मिलेगा इसका इंफॉर्मेशन, हाउ टू इंस्टॉल द ऐप. I will show you later. At the back, you can read all this information by pausing the video. Okay. It is based on Wi-Fi 6 as written here. Okay. At the top, TP-Link and 3 years warranty and nothing. At the bottom, different languages of TP-Link AX3000 written here and some barcodes. Now let's open this box and see what is inside it. Let's keep it aside. At the top, you get quick installation guide. Another, you get power adapter with pin type, and this is our router. We will go afterwards. Okay. Here is a small information. You can pause the video and read it. Here is the quick installation guide. Okay, you can pause the video and read it. Here is your SSID and password. Okay, and nothing. Here is a sticker you can attach to the router. Here is Cat 5e LAN cable, which is given by the company. Now let's check the rating of this adapter. 42 watt written here. Now these are the box contents. Now let's move to the main router. Now let's quickly remove this polythene wrap and let you show the first impression of this router. Awesome bit quality. Here is the 4 antennas for 2.4 GHz band and 5 GHz band. Okay. Now let's go to the detail. At the front, you get power light, 2.4 GHz light, 5 GHz light, internet light, and LAN light, and USB light, and nothing. At the top, Intel inside and one X design and TP-Link brand and some vents. At the bottom, you get SSID and password written here as default. At the back, lots of buttons you can see here, like LAN, USB port, and WPS button and LED light, and nothing. Now let's move to the setup. Now keep your router such a place where you can get maximum Wi-Fi coverage in your home. I am placing here. Okay. Now connect the power adapter to the power supply and insert the pin at the power port in the router. Now connect the Ethernet cable to your ONT device. You can hear the click, and another in the WAN port of the router. You will hear the click. Now it all set. Now turn on your router. Wait for a while. Make sure your internet connection should be on. Okay. Here is a power indicator. Let it blink. It will blink for few times. Now here 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz is set up now. Now wait for the internet light to be green. Now it's all set. Now let's go to the laptop.
Okay, now we have come to the laptop. Now let's go to the TP-Link IP address, or you can go to TP-Link Wi-Fi.net. I am going with TP-Link IP address, which is 192.168.0.1. Click on it. It is opening. Now here it asks for create administration password, which is shown in the above video, which I've already done. So let's enter my password. Now click on login. Here you can go to the quick setup. In basic, go to internet, choose internet connection type. In my case, it is static IP. You can go dynamic, PPOE, or any other two. Okay, click on save. Now go to the wireless. Here choose 2.4 GHz wireless SSID and 5 GHz wireless SSID. Enter your password and click on save. Here is USB sharing. Connect with the router and scan it. After scanning, it will show here, and you can access the media with these three steps through via internet or neighbor network. Okay, now go to the home care. This is paid service. You can skip it, or you can go to the parental control, or you can use it. This is guest network, similar to the wireless. 2.4 gigahertz wireless SSID you have to give it, and 5 gigahertz wireless SSID you have to give it, and password also. Click on save. Now let's go to the TP-Link cloud. This will, you have to log in with the TP-Link ID. Here you have to log in with the TP-Link ID and password. You can access it. Now let's go to the advanced. Here all the status of your Wi-Fi and internet will show here. Okay. If you need the detailed video of this advanced tab, so comment below so I can proceed with this another video.
Now let's move to the mobile app. Open the Play Store. Install the TP-Link app. Open it. Enter your email ID as TP-Link ID and password. I am entering now here, and password also. Click on login. Now choose your device in the my device list. Click on it. Enter your router password here. I am entering now. quickly. Click on login. Here you can select all the status of your internet. I will show you. Here is your internet status. Here is the router model and firmware, and here is the client. You can block them as you wish. Here you can access wireless and guest network. Okay. Here are the smart edge assistant like Alexa. You can use it. Here is the FAQs. You can read it. Okay. Here is the settings. You can see here. Here is paid home care service, which I've already told in this video, and rest all are same in the desktop mode. I am showing you quickly so that you can get the basic idea of this app. Okay. Now let's move to the speed test. चलिए हम जल्दी से स्पीड टेस्ट कर लेते हैं. ये 2.4 गीगाहर्ट्ज़ से कनेक्टेड है. ये रहा स्पीड टेस्ट फ्रॉम ओकला. You can see here the awesome result giving by the router. Remember, I am far from the router, about 20 feet, and you can see the result in the different platforms of the speed test. Here is the Google test, and here is the fasttest.com from Netflix. The upload speed is awesome and download speed is also awesome. Now let's quickly test with the 5 GHz speed band. Same procedure I will quickly show you. So stay tuned with the surprise at the last moment. कुछ भी डिफरेंस नहीं है 5 GHz बैंड में. मेरा इंटरनेट कनेक्शन प्लान है 20 MB पर मंथ 825 रुपये में बाय द लोकल इंटरनेट प्रोवाइडर. Okay, I will test the different speed test platform. Now let's compare to the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Some little bit loss will be faced in the 5 GHz band. It is negligible, but all over it is same. Now let's test in the fast.com. You can see here little bit difference in this test. You can see here this is 5 GHz. Overall I will give 9 out of 10 to this router. Here we have come to the end. तो अभी जल्दी से हम सरप्राइज के बाद बात कर लेते हैं हाउ टू पार्टिसिपेट एंड विन दिस प्राइज. ओके. To participate in the giveaway contest, you have to share, like, comment in my video. Also subscribe to my channel. I will drop a heart in your comment which have motivational video and a good about any of the product which I have already reviewed in my channel. You can comment anywhere and anytime on my channel. The giveaway prize is Fitband of any company. The winner will be decided at 500 subscriber gain in this channel. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe my video and like my video. Okay, bye.